Metadata Utility Studio List. The main menu, main switchboard, click on Enter/View Information Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility Switchboard, followed by clicking on Metadata Utility to launch the main application. Once the application is opened, we will see that at the bottom of the application we have a list of drop-downs starting with duration, studio, MPAA rating, as well as the last two drop-down menus for Path Builder 1 and 2. We're going to concentrate right now on Studio List drop-down. To edit any of the pre-populated, about 400 plus studios come pre-built in with Metadata Utility. Users, depending on their movie library or country, they may have additional studios that they may want to add to their studio list. Therefore, the studio list will be able to enable users to add or edit existing information that particular list. To add, as we will see, let's have an example. Let's move on to a live example to the application. And let's first take a look at what happens when we actually edit information. Here we have an example of the movie Batman's. We have here, we're going to navigate through a few of the records. We have the Batman movies. All of them were produced by Warner Brothers, which is here associated as Warner Bros. If we actually double click and we open the studio list, and if we just simply scroll down folder search by clicking Control F, but in this case, because we know that Warner Brothers is almost at the end, W, we have Warner Brothers. If we double click to edit this record, we see here, if we edit the record, we just added a dash plus edited. As soon as I leave that field, I want all of our users to take a look at the actual main application Metadata Utility, and we will see that the studio dropdown will be automatically updated. Now I'm moving out of the field, and as we see on the main application, Warner Bros. Has automatically been updated with Warner Bros. -edited. And furthermore, now if I close the studio list and browse through the other Batman movies, we will see that Warner Bros. Has been updated on all of them. And this would apply not only to the Batman movies, but also to any other movie that has been associated with Warner Bros. Will be listed automatically as Warner Bros. -edited. This is a word of caution for our users to keep in mind that when editing or deleting information takes an immediate effect on the entire application and all movies that may have been associated with that record. This is one of the extreme strengths that Metadata Utility has built into it, it uses a relational database management system that allows this capability. But at the same time, if we were to delete Warner Bros. From the list, again, it will take immediate effect, meaning that any records associated with that studio would lose that information immediately. So we always recommend users, for example, in this example that we have here, let's go back to our list. Let's move it here to the side so we can actually show the users. And let's go back to scroll down to the bottom and where we see Warner Brothers. Let's double click to set it up in edit mode. And let's just simply delete the edited dash that we entered. As soon as we enter that and or delete that extra information and I move out of the field, let's take a look at the actual studio drop-down list on the main application, and we will see that it immediately gets updated. So one of the strengths that Metadata Utility has built into it is that we update an existing studio. We don't have to go to the entire application and search for every single movie that has been associated with that studio and update it as well. One update, one list takes effect immediately throughout the entire application. So a word of caution to all of our users, as we have seen in the past, users that are familiarizing themselves with the application for the first time and go and start deleting information from the application and later on find out that there are blank records or blank studios or information is not properly being shown. In all cases is mostly due to this reason. This will apply not only to the studio list but also to any drop-down throughout the application. For more information on this particular topic or in any of our other features that we have built into Metadata Utility, we welcome our users to visit us at our website at metadatautility.com, where we have detailed step-by-step instructions as well as FAQ sections, how-to sections, advanced troubleshooting sections, and also as well as to click on any of our other videos where we have more detailed information and many of the other topics that we have available. We thank you for watching.